Embarking on the path of earning through blogging as a beginner opens up possibilities to transform your passion into a source of income. Exploring various strategies such as affiliate marketing, ads, and digital products can offer financial rewards for your valuable content. In this video, we are going to show you 10 easy steps to follow and start your blog earning. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 1. Choose your niche. Choosing your niche is the foundational step in blogging. It involves selecting a specific topic or subject area that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. A well-defined niche helps you create targeted and valuable content, attracting an engaged audience interested in that particular topic. Number 2. Market research. Market research is vital to understand your target audience preferences and needs within your chosen niche. By analyzing their behaviors, problems, and interests, you can tailor your content to effectively address their concerns. This strategic insight enables you to create valuable content that resonates with your audience, fostering stronger engagement and building a loyal readership. Number 3. Domain and hosting. Securing a domain and hosting is crucial for your blog's online presence. Your domain name should be unique and relevant to your niche, making it easy for visitors to remember. Reliable web hosting ensures your blog is accessible and runs smoothly, providing a solid foundation for content creation and audience engagement. Number 4. Set up your blog. Setting up your blog involves installing a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, which simplifies content creation and management. Customize its design to align with your brand's aesthetics, creating an appealing user experience. This step establishes the framework for your content creation and prepares your blog for its official launch. Number 5. Create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is essential for engaging your audience. Craft informative and compelling articles that offer value, using a mix of text, images, and multimedia. Quality content establishes your blog's credibility, attracts more readers, and encourages them to return for valuable insights and information. Number 6. SEO optimization. SEO optimization involves optimizing your content for search engines. Incorporate relevant keywords, write effective meta descriptions, and ensure your website's technical aspects are search engine friendly. By improving your blog's visibility in search results, you'll attract organic traffic and expand your readership. Number 7. Build an email list. Building an email list is crucial for direct audience engagement. By collecting email addresses through subscriptions, you can communicate directly with your readers, share new content, and promote offers. This helps foster a loyal audience and provides a more personalized connection with your readers. Number 8. Promote your blog. Promoting your blog involves sharing your content across social media platforms, online communities, and relevant forums. Networking with other bloggers in your niche can expand your reach. Effective promotion enhances your blog's visibility, attracting more visitors and potential readers. Number 9. Monetization strategies. Monetization strategies involve turning your blog into a source of income. Utilize affiliate marketing to earn commissions by promoting products, explore Google AdSense for ad revenue, and offer sponsored posts to partner with brands. Selling digital products or services related to your niche can also generate income streams. Number 10. Consistency and patience. Consistency and patience are key to blogging success. Regularly producing high-quality content and engaging with your audience builds trust and a loyal following over time. Recognize that results take time to materialize, and staying committed to your blog's growth is essential for achieving long-term success. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.